The next one we're going to be taking a look at is stock ticker symbol UVE. This one was picked over here on the Investors Hangout stock contest. Number 23 position, 5% up out of 93 picks. Yes, 93 picks. Yeah, I mean, number 23, that's a good position to be in. You got plenty of room to go, but 2670 is where the stock was picked over here on the 16th right here. And you've had 1, 2, 3 consecutive green days so far. As far as the chart goes, I'll tell you how I feel. At 28.13 right now, you're getting outside that upper Bollinger Band. I mean, of everybody that watches these streams know that that's what I talk about. You get these simple moving day averages are one thing I watch, along with the Bollinger Bands, the volume. There's a few key factors. Everybody has their own thing. You know, you go to people draw these wonderful, fork lines everywhere, flag lines, and all kinds of different indicators. Everybody does it different. Totally respect anybody that sits there and looks at charts all day. Totally understand what you do, and I respect it. But what we do is I got my own indicators that I personally work off of, and obviously everybody that watches these streams know that they definitely do help for sure, because you've seen it over and over. Right now, you're outside the upper Bollinger Band, guys. I think that this one's going to be oversold, and I think it's time to take a break. I think it's going to be time to take a break on this one. I don't know if it's going to make it through the 10-day. We're still pretty far out, but at 28.13, I think it's time to take some profit and march along. Things can change. Volume can definitely pick up higher. You can see volume days way up here at the top down here, and that stock would, all my bets would be off. But if everything continues where it's at, you get the idea. Joe, what do you got to add?
All right, so there was a press release. The last press release they had was on November 16th, and it was Universal Insurance Holdings Incorporated launches Universal Direct SM in Massachusetts and Maryland. So Universal Insurance Holdings, it's on the NASDAQ market. No, New York Stock Exchange, sorry. They announced today that the Universal Direct SM, it's direct-to-consumer online platform for Universal Property and Casualty Insurance Company products, is now available to homeowners in Mass and Maryland. The company further announced that it has already written its first homeowners insurance policy through the Universal Direct SM platform in both states. So they pretty much have a new platform, and they launched it over in Mass and Maryland. I mean, there's a lot you got to look into a company like this, because I mean, it's on the New York Stock Exchange. It's traded at $28 and 12 cents right now.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, then there's more news. They must be doing all right, because they declared a dividend on November 15th. They declared a 14-cent dividend.
Right. Yeah, the volume really picked up after that. So.
Yeah. So I mean, that's the thing. If we had more time, we could be sitting there and going through, like, they say you should always use like the NASDAQ dozen, to kind of analyze each stock. But
totally
you can't
agree.
really do that when you have a minute.
Yeah. Yep. So that's stock ticker symbol UVE. If you know anything about this, head over to investorshangout.com/live. Join our stream. Let us know. You got plenty of message boards on there to take a look at.